We've got a flooded basement here, and the basement has carpet in it. And so what we did was we got this water extractor. It's actually something we rented at the local supermarket for a day, and we went over the whole carpet. We didn't put any water in it for cleaning at first. We just went over the whole carpet and pulled up in this whole room. We picked up, the first time we went over it, the machine vacuumed up 5 gallons of water. Then we went over it one more time and it picked up 1 more gallon of water. Then we came back today and we did the carpet cleaning where we put soapy water in the machine, carpet cleaning soap, and then we went over the whole carpet, using the machine to spray the soap into the carpet, and then it vacuums it up, and that took out any dirt and stains that were left over from the flooding. And then this is the second day, and I tried going over this to pull up water on the second day, but I noticed it wasn't pulling up any more water. So we just went ahead and did the carpet cleaning. Now the next thing we're going to do is we pulled up the carpet. The carpet in this particular place has been glued around the edges. So you can see the glue around the edge there, and the rest of the carpet's not glued down, so we're just pulling it up. So we've got part of the carpet pulled up, but we can't get it all up because of the furniture in the way. We wouldn't have anywhere to pull it further back than what it is. So we're going to take these 2x4s and put it under there so we can make an air passage. Push on it. See, it's starting to go under there now. And just get all the way back to as far as the water was going, which is that couch. There. Get another 2x4 here. And do the same thing. There, I've got 2 of them under there. And then what you do when you get the boards under there is twist them. See, like this. And then you spread the boards out as far as you can and still have an air passage. The other thing you can do is put some something under the boards like this. Like that. Okay, so now we've got the carpet raised up. Turn this fan on. Keep the dehumidifiers going continuously. So it should dry pretty quick with the fan and the dehumidifiers. Once the carpet is dry under there, then we just put it back down and then continue drying the top of the carpet. The main thing now is to get the bottom dried out so you won't get mold growing underneath the carpet.